In this video, you'll learn how to disable testnet mode on the Phantom wallet. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully switched off testnet mode, ensuring that you are operating in the main network environment. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet application on your device. If you have not installed it yet, please download it from the official source to ensure the latest version is used. Once the application is open, you will be greeted by the main dashboard of your wallet. Next, locate the settings icon, which typically resembles a gear symbol. This icon is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to access the settings menu, where various configuration options are available. After clicking the settings icon, you will see a list of options related to your wallet's configuration. Look for the section labeled Developer Settings. This section may be located further down the settings menu, so scroll if necessary. Click on Developer Settings to proceed. Once you are in the Developer Settings, search for the option labeled Testnet mode. This toggle allows you to switch between testnet and mainnet environments. You will notice a switch next to testnet mode indicating its current status. To disable testnet mode, toggle the switch for testnet mode to the off position. You should see immediate feedback indicating that the mode has been switched off. This change ensures that any transactions or interactions you perform will now be on the main network. It is important to remember that operating in testnet mode can affect your transactions and the availability of certain features, as they may not be applicable in the main network. Always verify that you are in the correct mode, especially when dealing with real assets. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.